Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. In this video we'll be talking about how to set stop loss and take profit on MEXC exchange, that's MEXC exchange. So before we get started, if you have not subscribed to this channel before and watching this video right now, subscribe now and forget to smash the like button. And also, for those that don't know, just under the video you're going to see the subscribe button. Just subscribe and don't forget to put on notification. It won't cost anything. So let's get started. So there are two ways to set a take profit and stop loss. The first way is at the time of placing the trade, maybe you are using a limit or you are using a market. Do you understand? So before that, after setting, maybe you are using a market order, then you can see underneath you're going to see a TP/SL. If you check that box, you're going to see take profit and stop loss. So you can put a take profit and then also put a stop loss. So for the take profit, let's assume the current price of Bitcoin is 88.8. So if I'm to set the take profit now, that means maybe let's assume I want to long the trade. If I'm longing, that means I'm expecting price to go higher. So that means I can still, maybe I'm targeting price to reach 100. And for my stop loss, since the current price is 88, maybe if price should reach 80, I don't want to be in a trade anymore. So, and then I'm going to click open. So once I opened, can you see the trade is running? If you check the open order under limit, you're going to see the price. Can you see the price? Take profit 100. Can you see the stop loss, which is 80? That's one of the simplest way. And the other way to set the take profit and stop loss, let me cancel this. Let me close the trade. So the other option to set take profit and stop loss is maybe you already have a trade that is running currently. Maybe your trade is running. We already have a trade that is running. I have a running trade. The trade is running, and I want to set the take profit or stop loss. What I need to do is the trade that is running. If you look at the lower part, you're going to see a TP/SL. So if I should click on it, you're going to see this window, take profit, stop loss. So let's assume I want to set my take profit to be 100. Once price reaches 100, put my take profit, and for stop loss, once price reaches 80, stop me out. I don't want to be in this trade again. So then I'll click on confirm. Once I do that, go to open order. Can you see? So your take profit is here, your stop loss is here. Very, very simple and straightforward. So, and that's for that. And also for maybe you want to short, maybe you are shorting. No, if you are shorting, let's assume, let me open the trade for a short. I'm shorting, open, short. So now the current price is 88. Maybe my target is okay. Once price get to 70, take profit. So I will input 70 as my take profit. Since I'm shorting, I'm expecting price to go down, and my stop loss is okay. Once price gets to maybe like 95, stop me out. So can you see? And I'll put okay. And price for what do the market will do the needful. Once price reaches either my take profit, which is here, or stop loss, which is here. So does that. And if you want to learn how to place trade on MEXC exchange or how to place futures trade, you can check my previous video on that. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful